Bismillah when I wake up, Bismillah when I pray, Bismillah when I start my work at the start of every day.
Bismillah when I wash my hands, Bismillah when I smile, Bismillah when I help my friends, it makes me kind all the while.
Bismillah, Bismillah, I say it every day. Bismillah, Bismillah, it shows me Allah's way.
Bismillah, Bismillah, it fills my heart with light. Bismillah, Bismillah,
From morning till the night. Bismillah when I eat my food, Bismillah when I drink, Bismillah when I go to school before I talk and think.
Bismillah when I read my book, Bismillah when I play, Bismillah when I try my best in every little way.
Bismillah when I feel afraid, Allah is always near. Bismillah makes me strong and brave, it takes away my fear.
Bismillah when I share my toys, Bismillah when I care, Bismillah when I help someone,
Allah is always there. Bismillah when the sun comes up, Bismillah when it sets, Bismillah when I see the stars and the moon that never forgets.
Bismillah when I go to sleep, I close my little eyes. Thank you Allah for this lovely day. I've been